A lot of people get hung up on the idea of using a bandsaw to cut the internal parts of some of the letter forms that have inside cuts. And I'm going to show you a trick I learned many years ago on how to solve this problem. And you can end up like that, but use a bandsaw. And I'm going to demonstrate it right here. I wanted to show an important thing I did is when I came in, I went down and I went back around and I crossed this cut right there so that it stays in line. I didn't try and turn as soon as I came in to stay on the line. I went back around and then came and finished my cut, if you noticed what I did there. And now we take the letter and we cut it completely in half. All right, so now I cut it completely in half and I'll take some glue and I'll glue it together. And in this case, I went cross grain, but if you went with the grain in your letter form, you'll have a much easier time hiding that bandsaw cut. A little bit of glue. Force that together. And there you go. That's how you can cut inside of a letter and disguise your work toward the finished piece.